Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be replacing the hood shocks on this 2005 Volvo XC90. We recently did the trunk lid supports back here in the rear. The trunk had a bad issue of randomly dropping closed. As you can see, very similar to the front end, and it made a huge difference. Nice and strong, new shocks. So I ordered some more to do the hood because last time I was changing the oil, I realized these front ones were also pretty worn out. 15 years old now, and over time they wear out. I've had to do these on the trunk of my BMW as well. It's a really easy fix. The parts are, I think they're 16 bucks each, so for like 32 bucks you can do both of them, and you protect yourself from chopping your head off when you're working on your engine. You start by popping these little tabs off. Just like that, it's like a metal clip. It kind of holds this roundish part onto this little nub on the hood. Boom, just like that. And then you do the same thing down here on the bottom. Get back behind there at the flathead, pop it out. Look at that, 30 seconds, the old one's out. As you can see, these are the original Volvo OEM ones. They got some cool German on there or something. Oh, look at that, a pole appeared. Perfect. We'll use this hood prop before we get the new ones back in. Perfect. We'll open up this guy right here. Carefully. This company Mile, they do a lot of good replacement parts for European cars. And I'll make sure you check out FCPEuro.com. That's where I order all of my parts. I'm not sponsored by them, but I want to be, so go support them. And to put these new ones on, you got to start with these clips open. I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver this time, actually. I think it'll fit in there better. It's this little tiny guy. Same deal. Pop this clip back. You have to take it all the way out, just far enough back. And as you can see, if you look down in that hole, there's it comes pre-greased, so you don't have to worry about greasing these at all. And we'll put this guy on first. Boom. Clips on just like that, easy as can be. Spin it around down here. Same deal as before. Pop the clip. And on we go. Boom. Look at that, new one's in, old one's out. Passenger side is complete. You don't need these old ones anymore. Here, throw them out. Same deal here on the driver's side. Before we start on the driver's side, let's see if this new one holds up okay. Sometimes they come with a locking feature that keeps them from opening and closing during travel. Oh, no, they're good to go. Look at that. Earlier, if you had the hood about right there, it would shut on itself, but now it stays open. Now you have to be intentional with the shut. So even like halfway, it's not gonna slam. That's good, it works. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. We'll start by taking the old one off. I think you go from the top or bottom on these clips. Come on. Almost got it. There it is. Look at that, the new one's so strong it can hold it by itself. Almost. We'll use this post again. Just find somewhere secure. And then let the hood rest on it. And then we do the same for the bottom clip here. Look at that. Off just like that. Out with the old. Same deal as the other side, exact same setup. And I'm putting like the base on the bottom side. I guess you could accidentally flip them. Probably doesn't make too big of a difference, but I'm just putting them on the way they came off. So the base goes to the lower part and the arm extends and connects on top of the hood here. We'll start on top again, pop this clip back. Boom. This guy's actually got to go a tad higher. As you can see again in this one, pre-greased, clips back and we'll slide right onto this little knob here. Stop. Boom, boom. Spin it a hair, open this clip up. Look at that, snapped right in. Let me get this out of here. Make sure everything's clipped in well. All the clips are closed. Looks good. Looks good, top and bottom. Oh yeah, feels great. Look at that. That thing's got some lift to it now. It's gonna blow the hood off the hinges, it's so strong. That's it. Hood supports for a 2005 Volvo XC90. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.